Meaning of Grim Reaper.
Grim Reaper.
Grim Reaper.
Grim Reaper.
Grim Reaper. The term Grim Reaper refers to a symbolic representation of death, typically portrayed as a skeletal figure holding a scythe. The Grim Reaper has been a prevalent image in art and literature throughout history, representing the inevitability of death and the end of life. The phrase is often used colloquially to refer to any person or thing that brings death or destruction. The origins of the term can be traced back to medieval Europe, where death was personified in art and literature as a skeletal figure wielding a scythe.